Hey Non-Techie, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to change the post URL to the post name on WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, you will go to Settings and Permalinks. In the Permalink section, you will click Post Name. This will add the post name to your structure for your permalink. If you wanted to add a category before, you can hit the category and then it will have the post name after that. Then click Save Changes. So that is how to change your post URL to your post name in WordPress.